Ever dreamt of hitting the open road on a classic American road trip? Cruising down the Californian coast, feeling the wind in your hair, stopping off at quirky diners along the way. Sounds pretty epic, right? But then reality hits. You're not from the US, and navigating a new financial system can be a real headache. So, if you're an Aussie planning a stateside adventure, a crucial question pops up. Will your trusty Commonwealth Bank, Commbank, be there for you? Can you waltz into a branch and access your hard-earned cash like you do back home? Well, buckle up, because this video dives deep into the world of Commbank and its presence in the USA. We'll crack the code on branches, ATMs, and all things financial to ensure a smooth ride on your American Odyssey. First things first, let's clear the air. Commbank doesn't have traditional branches with tellers and Saturday morning queues in the United States. That doesn't mean they're completely absent, though. Commbank operates as a multinational bank, with a presence in countries like New Zealand and Asia. They also have a foothold in North America, but in a slightly different way. Commbank boasts an office in New York City. This office isn't designed for everyday banking for tourists or expats. Instead, it caters to a specific clientele, Australian and New Zealand businesses and institutions with interests in the US. It acts as a bridge, connecting these companies with the American financial landscape and vice versa. So, if you're hoping to walk in and withdraw cash from your Commbank account, you might be disappointed. But fear not, intrepid traveler. Here's where things get interesting. While Commbank itself might not have branches scattered across the US, the beauty of modern banking is its global reach. Remember, Commbank is a major player, and chances are your debit or credit card is linked to international networks like Visa or MasterCard. This is where the magic happens. As long as you find an ATM displaying the Visa or MasterCard logo, you should be able to access your Commbank account. Now, there might be some fees involved. International transaction fees can sting a bit. But in a pinch, you'll have access to your cash. Here's a pro tip. Before you embark on your US adventure, contact Commbank directly. Let them know your travel plans and inquire about potential fees associated with international ATM withdrawals. This way, you can avoid any nasty surprises when you're faced with a giant burger and an empty wallet. Another option to explore is notifying Commbank about your travel dates and requesting a temporary increase in your daily withdrawal limit. This can be a lifesaver, especially if you're planning on exploring remote areas where ATMs might be scarce. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. By understanding Commbank's presence, or lack thereof, in the US and planning your access to funds, you can focus on the fun stuff, exploring iconic landmarks, indulging in mouth-watering American cuisine, and soaking up the unique atmosphere of the States. So, there you have it. While Commbank doesn't have traditional branches in the US, with a little planning and some strategic ATM hunting, you can ensure your American adventure is financially smooth sailing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.